Hey, what's up? I'm Russ. This is Dapper Dividends, where we are working to make work optional, and we're doing that through stock and crypto passive income. So we do talk about dividends here a lot, and this is going to be a non-dividend paying stock, but we're going to get a different kind of dividends here because it's about Roblox. A whole young generation of people are playing Roblox. They love Roblox. I have two daughters that are just becoming teenagers and they love playing Roblox. So my daughter just had a dance recital and she got some money, which we are going to put into the market, and she wanted to buy some Roblox. So we're going to look at the chart and I'm going to tell you exactly where I think the price is going and where we should be looking at buying. We're going to get into a little bit of technical analysis here. Two things I'd like to point out. First, I love the CCI indicator. There's myriad videos on the CCI indicator, but the one thing to know is where this first circle here that's green, when you see the line move up past the -100 line, which it did here, it almost is always followed by a price jump upwards. So here it moved up through the -100. Price was around $66-ish on this day. Had a bit of a red candle down day there, but it went up through the -100 all the way to $103. Pretty good straight shot there. Now, when you see the CCI go above +200, chances are there's going to be a price pullback. Here it hit above 200 and it doesn't happen right away. It just means confidence is waning. As you can see, the nice even down slope right there. So price did peak. Remember, charting is not a science. It's more of an art, and it doesn't tell you exactly when something's going to happen, but what is likely to happen. Hit $103 as a high, and recently we've been looking at getting in. It has found support at this red line, which is the 50-day moving average. Keep in mind, Roblox has only been trading since March 10th, so it's a really new stock. So we can't have a 100, as you see, I put in a 100-day. Well, it hasn't been trading for 100 days, so that is not going to show up. But there is a 21 and a 50-day moving average. It did find support around $80.62. It's bounced nicely off of that. But one thing that's really super interesting, remember the CCI indicator, check that out. It has come up through the -100 line. Now it could get rejected, come back down, but when it comes up through, there's always going to be a price movement upward. We just don't know how much. Many times, old support becomes new resistance. We see that there was support right around the $90 mark. So I think Roblox is headed toward $90, where it should find resistance. If it breaks that resistance of $90, which currently right now is also the 21-day moving average, if it breaks that support at $90, then I think it will go up past 100. But if it gets rejected, it's probably going to come back down to the $80 range and again test the current support. That was the daily. This is the weekly. Every one of these candles represents a week's price action. And we can also see that it holds true. It looks like support was found around the $80 mark. A lot of times, if you go out into the weekly charts, it will smooth things out and remove a lot of the day-to-day volatility, and you can get a much clearer and cleaner picture of what's going on. Again, these candles are really farly spread apart because Roblox has only been trading for just over 3 months. The takeaway here is to get our young people interested in investing in the market, to show them that they can take ownership of the companies that make the products and services, and in the case of Roblox, the games that they play. I'm trying my hardest and my damnedest to get my daughters interested in investing, and especially in companies that pay dividends. Granted, Roblox doesn't pay a dividend yet. I don't know if they ever will, but just having our young people interested in the market will pay the biggest dividends of all. Let me know what you think Roblox is going to do. What's your prediction? Get your crystal ball out, rub it, and let us know where you think Roblox is going and what you think of the company. Follow me on Twitter at RustyRam78. and I will talk to you in the next video.